Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel here, and I'm here with another video on Xenea. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the latest update on Xenea, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost your Xenea allocation by a lot of places. So of course, firstly, I've answered the Xenea quiz for today, and before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, and I will be showing you guys how to do this Xenea latest tax, which is the Spurs protocol tax. So firstly, you go to this place and you check in. So I have about 19 germs from checking in, and then I'll start the quiz. But you can also follow this pages on X and on Telegram to get 500 points. I will get to that in a minute, but before I start, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and give us a thumbs up. Of course, you can also join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop, and of course I'll drop every update in the WhatsApp community. So you click on start quiz. Once you click on start quiz, the quiz will start, and they will start asking you a couple of questions starting from this. All right, so the first solutions to this is this one. As you can see, that I'll be dropping it in my community. Of course, join my community. Like I said, just join. The link will be in the description and the pinned comment of this video. So you continue, and the next answer is gamble to win. Which of these is not a feature on sports protocol? Sorry, is gamble to win. So you continue. What are the color combination found on sports protocol? Of course, it's blue and white. If we go back and check it again, you see what is the minimum amount of spore a user can claim daily is 20. You go to the next one. How many courses that you can user post on is unlimited, is not limited to any amount. So which region is Spore protocol's major target audience? Is global community. Of course, they don't have a major target audience, is everyone. So that's just it. And which of these games is not found in Sports protocol app? I think it's Candy Crush. Candy Crush is an application on its own. It's on Google Play Store. So the correct answer is Candy Crush. So then the next one, what is Sports protocol's major goal? Build Greater America. Why would they be building Greater America? Stopping now. I think it's Web3. I read this thing, and it's Web3 solutions and education. So that's what they are mainly built for. That's their major concern. So what is the minimum amount of time required to read an article? It should be 2 minutes. Why should an article be taking up to 10 minutes or 30 minutes? So 2 minutes. Let me see. So it's correct. 2 minutes, and I've gotten, that's 1,000 points. 10 times 10, that's 100 times 10, that's 1,000 points, and I got extra 1,000. So get more gems. So currently, as you can see, I got 2092. And as you can see, the campaign will last from the 29th till the 31st of March 2025. So this actually Xenea listing will soon be around the corner. I think they said they made mention of first quarter, so I don't know. I have followed them. They made mention of first quarter, so most likely they will be listing very, very soon. So you join their WhatsApp community, of course. So Xenea should be listing by it should be listed before the 31st, but from what they are saying now, I'm expecting April to be the listing month. That's the second quarter of this year, so it should be around April. So as you can see, I've completed everything and I've started mining, of course. So that's just it guys. Complete every task that is needed. Of course, we're in season 2. If you have Discord, join their Discord group and earn that point. It's very important. Earn that points, guys. We are going to make money from this project. Earn that point. earn as much points as possible, do as much tax as possible. I'm already in the community, so I've already been verified, so they just have to give me a point. I think this is just a bonus point. I think this is just a bonus point. So I've joined. This was the announcement. So I've joined, and every task is complete. Anyway, that's it for this video. You can also watch my video on the Gauzy and the Gauzy quest, which of course if you go back to this place, you see the Gauzy quest and Zilly quest. I did a video covering this. You can check that out on the channel. I'll be dropping the link, of course, in the description of this video or in the pinned comment. Just check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next one.